new building, old stock iron. This iron is little bit damaged. This is material house. It is repairing. Some people working. కొంచెం ఇలా రండి, ఇటువైపుకి వస్తే దాని మీద ఎక్కించుకోకుండా వేయండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ న్యూ ఐరన్ మెటీరియల్స్. Today Monday, I received new iron items. Totally ground slab material iron, new and old. Needed cement bags, 150 cement bags needed, and needed metal also. This is centering for ground slab. Today came to the centering. Tomorrow morning the people came to the house and prepare the centering for ground slab. Thank you. This is my children's home. This is another home. This is another homes. Some people. This is widow's home.